Hello students, this is Miss Mills. I'm going to read the words for your assessment for syllables and affixes, sort number 33. It's a fun sort, so prepare your page, whether it's a Google Sheet like this or a piece of lined paper. In either case, you're going to have your name and clear headings. All right, and remember, at the end, you should have a total of 21 words. So make sure to count and click into a different cell before you turn in your assessment so all of your words will be counted. The first heading is CHER, spelled C-H-E-R, as in catcher. Secondly, we have CHUR, so you'll notice it's the same sound, except spelled T-U-R-E, as in picture, right? Next, we have words that end in jur, not sure, jur, as in measure, with the spelling S-U-R-E. Next, we have the category of words that end in ur. So this is the sound, right? Ur, with the spelling U-R-E, as in figure. And then oddballs. So go ahead and set up your page, either a Google Sheet or on a piece of paper, and then press play so you can continue with your assessment. Number 1, future. If I had a time machine, I would travel into the future. Future. Number 2, marcher. My great-grandmother was a marcher for women's rights. Marcher. Number 3, nature. When I'm stressed, I like to go out in nature. Nature. Number 4, failure. There are a lot of quotes about how to respond well to failure. Failure. Number 5, stretcher. The paramedics carried the person away from the scene on a stretcher. Stretcher. Number 6, danger. I ignored the danger sign and kept climbing on the rocks. Danger. 7, treasure. I hope to find buried treasure someday. Treasure. 8, culture. Come celebrate Christmas with me and you'll learn a lot about my family culture. Culture. 9, rancher. My aunt is a rancher in Wyoming. Rancher. 10, pleasure. It is my pleasure to read these words for you today. Pleasure. 11, leisure. Please return the book at your leisure. I'm in no rush to get it. Leisure. 12, senior. I was a senior in high school in 2010. Senior. 13, mixture. The dough mixture was too wet, so we added more flour. Mixture. 14, teacher. When I was little, I wanted to be a teacher when I grew up. Teacher. 15, pressure. I feel a lot of pressure not to mess up when everybody's watching me. Pressure. 16. Capture. Capture the flag is one of my favorite games. Capture. 17. Secure. I feel more secure in a basement during a tornado warning. Secure. 18. Posture. My husband hopes to correct his posture. Posture. 19. Obscure. I made an obscure reference that nobody understood. Obscure. 20. Pitcher. Everybody likes to be the pitcher in kickball. Pitcher. Last but not least, number 21, pasture. The sheep grazed in the pasture. Pasture. All right, friends, that is your set of 21 words. Please check them over before you turn them into your teacher, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you.